Good day and welcome to Ademola Urban Services, and today we will be dealing with data formatting techniques, border, alignment and color. So there are several methods that you can use to format data, but for the sake of this training we will be dealing with all those three that I've mentioned. And our data that I want to format is this table on day 2. Let me first of all copy it. So I will make sure that I copy it. So now click on copy, then I'll move on to a new sheet. Of this sheet I'll name it this is day 3. Let me rename this sheet. This is for day 3 exercise. Day 3. So now a new sheet for day 4. Day 4. For this we want to, now I've copied the data, it is time for me to paste. Now I've pasted it. Don't forget, our goal is to format this data, ensure that we give it alignment, we as well give it color and border, just as we have this data. So let's assume I want to add the total number of everything. This here is the total. So total, all right, and the total here equals to sum equals to sum SUM. Okay, sum everything from here downward. Enter. So this is the only one I want to sum. Now I want to format this as a table. So based on what we want to do today we want to do alignment and border, then color. So we are not dealing with table. Alignment, color and border, those are the three things we want to achieve here. So the first thing is that let us try to make sure that we align our items to center. So now this is our items, right? From here down to here. I want to make everything to be at the center. Now I click on this. You see the count, that thing that is under count, right? That is what I click on. So now I click on this arrow to go up. Good. The next thing is that we know that the font is Aptos, right? So here you can see this place that is in like highlighted ash color. This is the alignment. So if I want to change it to center, come here and put center. You can see I've clicked here, align to center. If I want to make it right, you can see, but I want it to be center. Now it has been at the center. Good. After it has been at the center, this is alignment. The next thing is that I want every items on our rice to have a color, say color blue. So highlighted color, this is font color, right? So after this font color we have fill color. This fill color is what we are going to take. You can see fill color. Then at the arrow at the front, I can now choose the color I want to fill. Now this is blue that I need. I've clicked it, it's there now. Good. Then this amount as well, if I want to give this another color, this amount, let's say this amount, I want to give it another fill color. Let's say our color is green, light green, nice one. Then price, the price, let me give it a more darker blue color. Can you see? Then the quantity, also I want to give it a more darker green color. Are you feeling it? Now this line of total, Now I take it everything and make it more darker. Now that it is more darker, you can see that is part of what you need to know as a data analyst. You must know how to give contrasting color. Now, because our font color is dark, and we give a dark fill color to it. Because of that, for us to be able to see what we write, we need to change the font color to a light color. Now, here is the font color. So at this font color, I click this arrow and choose white. How do you feel? Was it clear or not? Excellent. Excellent and perfect. So this is how it's been done. Then we go back to the our table, our column names. Also, I want to highlight it. I'll give it a dark blue color. This is the font color. I think I give it I should give it white. Then the fill color now, I'll make the fill color to be a dark blue. Good. I hope you can see it now. So this is how it is being done. Now we've done fill with highlight with, we've done formatting with colors and font color, right? And we also done the alignment, right? There, the next thing is border. I was wondering how to have border to this area, to this thing. So here I click on this line. All right, now that I have clicked on this line, so the same way place that we had at the home tab, you see borders here. At that border, I click on it. What type of border do I want it to have? Is it a double down border or all borders? So let me choose 2 border down. Now you can see if I click it, it might not show here, but if I want it to show, I'll click on it again, highlight, then at the border color, that's where I will work. Click on this border style. You can see line color now. Where it shows line color, I'll click it and give it white. All right. Now it seems it's not showing. Why is it not showing? Because of the size. So let's change the size to line style, no border. Why is it no border? So line style, it shows no border, borders. So let us use this one that is thick. So we've used that one. All right, borders, line style, border, line. It's not showing. So this one, what will make it show is this. Let's click this one, change the font color to black, and the fill color to this. So then we now choose our border for us to be very clear. So our border color now, let's choose 2 arrow down. So border color now, border, and then color, the color now, let's now choose black. So good. Why is it not showing? It's supposed to show. So line color, border color, okay. Fill color, black, this, go back, borders, double line, okay, border, line style. Aha, the line style just come. You see maybe it's not the before. Line style now, we need of these 2 double line down. Good. So go back, you choose it, then you can see. So perfect. This is what we are seeing. So with this, your data can be easily modified and adjusted to the way you like. So don't forget, this is our day 4 challenge. Our challenge is to use fonts, color, fill color, alignment, and borders. Alignment and border. So that is that for now. See you next time and bye for now.